Here we have a 1976 was 456 compatible. AM FM stereo. Reception's very good. Sounds very good. Tone works very well. And FM stereo lights on. The dial indicator moves properly.
And that's it. You've just
push buttons work. That's FM demo. AM. We're inside, so steel building. Still very good. There's AM. We'll get a tape. Carefully hold the camera here. There's a 8-track. It's hot tuna. I'll let it finish the song. It's in between tracks. It's going to do an auto change. That's what it sounds like. That's a manual change, manual change, manual change, manual change. Oh, I forgot to tighten this up, so I'm just going to take it off temporarily, pull it out, and it goes right back to the radio that I had it on. There you go. Really nice
CJC, I got some
AM FM stereo 8-track for Cadillac 74 through 76. It's got the square heat sink, and connectors are at the top.